Alright guys, Dominic here.
I just want to say that for the record, we're getting a new camera, so this audio is going to be complete trash. Complete trash. So just know we have a new camera coming in. We're going to be fine, alright? Just, you guys have to deal with this shitty ass GoPro footage for now. Thank you. Oh, headphone users, beware.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jesse of Inclusion Car Clubs, and I guess today's video is going to be kind of more of a vlog style. I'm going to be heading over to the junkyard over here in town and just kind of introduce myself. I drive a 2000 Toyota Tacoma, and I just recently picked up a 96 Honda Accord LX. Just kind of just sitting way back over there, you can't really see it. But I'm heading over there to go pick up some parts for it. I need to go get a bumper, the signal lights on the front, and I also need the wiring up to the front, so it's gonna suck for the next guy who goes over there to try to find a wiring harness, because I'm just gonna clip that shit off. And this is gonna be my first video, and like I said, it's probably gonna be a vlog style video today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You guys for the moment until I get in there, but yeah, so see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, sorry about all that, but I just got back and we're gonna go ahead and check out the car, or show you guys the car. Don't mind the dirty truck, but this is it right here. Paid it for like $600. It is a 5-speed manual, and yeah, you guys noticed it did get in a crash. I did get the steering wheel one, but I did not grab the other one. So, really real pain in the ass. Some little stuff that I grabbed to replace, but shouldn't really be too bad. It's got a cracked windshield, but it's not too bad, and just a little other stuff. And so for the most part, everything got really work. They didn't put off these pieces and the other ones because all this stuff right here is all fried off or grinded off. This shirt right here, ridiculous. But for the most part, it has like all the other pieces, so I can make it work and get to work on it, I guess. So I think I'm just gonna set you guys up here and kind of like a, what's it called? I did it just a second ago, the time lapse. So we'll see how it goes. messed up. This one's actually 480. V6 bumper, it looks like. Yeah, I might be able to make it work if I just cut it. But yeah, kind of sucks. Maybe with the rest of the thing also. I mean, like I said, it's not horrible. Just I can make it work. But the way it looks, I just realized this one side looks a lot further out than the other. So, well, guess I'll stop the recording here and see you guys what I figure. Show you guys what I figure out here in a second. Blows. Just figure something out. You guys can hate on it in the comments. I don't really don't really care. But I figured the only way to actually make them fit, you know, obviously, is just to cut them. So that's why I went ahead. On this side, doesn't look too horrible. You know, it's gonna give plenty of space. I have yet to do it on this side, but kind of see what I did right there. I just threw some tape. I might have to kind of fix it again a little bit to get that curve right. But yeah, I just asked the neighbor, let me borrow a grinder because I didn't have one. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, and it looks a lot better than it did before. I mean, the fitment obviously is going to be off. But honestly, guys, it looks like a car again. So, I'm going to get back to cutting the other side. I think I might do another tiny little time lapse of that, or not. But, yeah, I think I'll get back to it. Like I said before, fitment isn't gonna look the greatest, but you know, from a distance, you wouldn't even be able to tell. Yeah, look right here. Like I said, from a distance, you won't really be able to tell, which I don't really care much about, obviously. I'm gonna see if I can even put the Honda emblem on. I got it back here somewhere. Battery's about to die, so not the last thing. Pop the hood open real quick. Don't want to forget that. The AC blows, at least. Got the lights on and everything. Jumping straight into it. Had you guys off. Replace that mirror, put that steering wheel cover on, and still didn't do that one. But yeah, I mean, door handle also, because the other one was broken. I threw that one in the trash. I mean, there's still a couple things like these lights and stuff, but I really just want to get the bumper to fit on there first, and it turned out too bad. It was a little rough, but as I spray it off and stuff, it'll probably look a little bit better because it's all dirty. I think kind of other things on the list will be just to replace this window because it's all cracked, and come back over here. I mean, something's up with the trunk, because the trunk doesn't open, and it's I think the reason is because it got hit on the back. I think somebody backed up to it with their ball hitch and messed it up. But other than that, I mean, car works just fine. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I started it up a couple times. But yeah, so the cover, you know, it's got the drop the right now. It's got the, you know, the airbags connected to it. It's just one single piece, but I just left it disconnected, put it on there because you know, it sounds like really dumb, but I was a little afraid if the thing went off on me. But you know, let me start it up for you guys just to show you. You know, it actually has no problems at all. But you know, just because of the SRS thing. I don't know if you guys can tell that SRS for the seatbelts is just because seatbelts for the airbags, it's just because they're disconnected. They're not in there. Other than that, I mean, you know, like I said before, it's 5-speed. You guys can also tell, I mean, that's looks pretty weak for a exhaust, because it is. Look right under your jaw. Under here. Let me get it serious. Oh, it's a lot worse than I thought. It's actually busted off. So I'll basically straight pipe the resonator and stuff. Honestly, it doesn't sound too bad. I mean, I'll just set you guys down here real quick just to get rid of it. Camera's about to die, but you know, it's alright. Running lights stay on all the time. Might have to check a fuse on that and everything, but hazards don't work, which fine with me, as I said, but I mean, everything works now perfectly fine. All I care about. Just a check. But like I said, guys, I don't really care. The car was only $600, and I mean, I basically put another $100 into it, and not including gas. But everything else works. Cruise control works, which I'm happy about. For the highway, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe also to this channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll probably be doing a part 2 and doing a bunch of other little stuff to it, because you know, this is a work in progress. So till then, catch you guys in the next one. See ya.